Biologic medicines for COPD are designed to target specific parts of the lung's immune system, with the goal of reducing inflammation and exacerbations. Agents approved and in late-stage development target different aspects of the inflammatory pathways identified in COPD. Dupilumab is the first biologic approved for COPD. It's indicated for adults with inadequately controlled COPD and an eosinophilic phenotype. Dupilumab binds to the IL-4 receptor alpha subunit, thereby inhibiting signaling of IL-4 and IL-13, two key drivers of type 2 inflammation. In clinical trials for COPD, dupilumab reduced exacerbations by 30 to 34% and improved lung function. Mepolizumab is another biologic recently approved for treating adults with inadequately controlled COPD and an eosinophilic phenotype. Mepolizumab targets IL-5, which is responsible for eosinophil growth, differentiation, and survival. It works by binding to circulating IL-5, preventing it from attaching to the IL-5 receptor on eosinophils. It has been shown to reduce eosinophil levels in blood and tissues, thereby decreasing inflammation. Benralizumab also targets the IL-5 receptor alpha subunit. Its mechanism involves blocking IL-5 binding and receptor subunit assembly and inducing antibody-dependent cell-mediated cytotoxicity of eosinophils and basophils. It leads to rapid depletion of eosinophils in blood, bone marrow, and tissues. Itepekimab and tozorakimab are anti-IL-33 monoclonal antibodies. IL-33 is released upon damage to epithelium. These work by binding to and inhibiting IL-33, an initiator and amplifier of broad inflammation in COPD, thus potentially reducing both type 1 and type 2 inflammatory responses. Tezepelumab blocks thymic stromal lymphopoietin, TSLP. Its mechanism includes preventing TSLP from binding to its receptor and inhibiting the initiation of the inflammatory cascade through both innate and adaptive immune pathways. Astegolimab inhibits the binding of IL-33 to the ST2 receptor. It aims to prevent IL-33 ST2 signaling, which is implicated in airway inflammation and infection in COPD. Additionally, it may reduce inflammation and improve symptoms. Biologics target varied pathways in type 2 inflammation, expanding the potential treatment armamentarium in COPD.